Hey you guys, it's Peter and welcome to my channel. Peter! Boom, 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 boom. Review stuff. It's hard to be a boxer in a car, I mean. Anyway, today I am yet again at Starbucks. I know people are probably like, are all of the things you're gonna review in here Starbucks? Well, no, but I am gonna review a lot of things that are Starbucks. Are all the things you're going to review? Are you gonna review anything else other than Starbucks? Yes, I am. Starbucks is really a fun review for me to do. So many people are sending me things they want reviewed. I am getting like secret menu frappuccinos and this and that, and so it's really fun for me because then I can come through here and I can try all the things that I see when I go through my daily visit to Starbucks for my venti iced coffee with one equal. So somebody sent me this secret menu frappuccino, and I thought, well, this would be really, really fun. I want to give a little shout out to Happiest Teas on Earth. It's an Instagram account. I will link them below, and I will put up their picture here, right here. Let me take a little screenshot so I remember to do that. And they came up with a drink called the now famous Cinderella Latte. It is a secret menu drink. And they said underneath here, the now famous Cinderella Latte spread magic at coffee shops everywhere last fall, and I can't wait to see what happens this year. Maybe you'll see it on the menu on Main Street at Disney World, she's saying. The story: I was a barista at Starbucks for 7 years here in the Seattle area, and I came up with a couple of Disney-inspired drinks to spread a little magic to my customers and coworkers. And then the recipe for the Cinderella Latte recipe is, you order a pumpkin spice latte, can be made hot, iced, or blended frappuccino. I'm gonna get mine iced. Sub half of the pumpkin spice pumps with white mocha, or if you have a real sweet tooth, try full pumps of each. The white pumpkin reminded me of Cinderella's coach, and that's why I call it the Cinderella Latte. The tea. Cinderella Latte drops Friday, so she put this out when the pumpkin spice latte came out this last week, the launch. So we're gonna see if they'll make it. Now, I know that the baristas do not love making secret menu drinks, so if you're a barista out there, I apologize. But we're gonna see if they're cool about this today. I'm sure they will because they're always so nice here.
What can we get started for you?
I need to get a venti iced coffee with one equal, and I have my own cup.
Okay.
And then I also want to see if you could make, have you guys heard of the Cinderella Latte?
I have not.
If I give you the recipe, could you make it? It's real easy.
Yeah, sure, we can do that.
Okay. And I want to make this a Grande. Okay, so it's a pumpkin spice latte. I want mine iced.
Okay.
And then you sub half of the pumpkin spice pumps with white mocha instead.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it. The white pumpkin reminded her of Cinderella's coach.
Alright.
What do you think about them apples?
That's crazy. Anything else?
Nope, that's it.
Alright, it's going to be $9.48.
Okay, thanks. I thought this one was a really cute one. I was real excited about it. Pull up my... It's Tanner, the new guy. I met him outside. How are you doing today, James? So you've never heard of the Cinderella Latte?
I do.
What secret menu? What?
Can you clean it up?
You know, if you want to, that'd be, yes, thank you. I appreciate it. I don't like hear of a lot of, what are like the secret menu drinks you hear the most of that people request? Ooh, this looks,
cupcake frappuccino.
what's the cupcake frappuccino?
It's like a hazelnut and melody frappuccino, either that one or the it's like raspberry and the vanilla frappuccino. Those are the two ones that I've seen.
Does anybody ask for anything and you can't make it?
A few times.
What is this on top, do you know? Is that cinnamon, pumpkin spice? Cinnamon, okay, great.
No, it's not cinnamon, it's not pumpkin.
Pumpkin, okay. You've been awesome, I appreciate it. I usually see you outside taking a break. I do. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
I sort of got it. Am I not lucky? I mean, I have the nicest baristas at Starbucks in the entire world. I literally get messages from people, you guys. I cannot tell you. Hold on a second. I literally get messages from people on the daily. Twitter, Instagram. I get emails from people that are like, which Starbucks do you go to? Because I want to go there. My cousin, she even texted me and she was like, which Starbucks do you go to? I want to meet Josh. Like, all these people are so, like, friendly. And, but, you know, I have to say this about Starbucks. And I know that people won't necessarily agree with this. But this is not the only Starbucks I go to. Oh, Cal Sapri. I know you guys were like, there are other Starbucks you go to. Yes, there are other Starbucks that I go to. And I have to say that the other Starbucks that I go to, am I in the dark? No, I'm fine. The other Starbucks that I go to, they're just as friendly. I mean, they really are, you know. Now, they're not on video, but they're just as friendly. Okay, there was an article that was put out about this, and I want to read this to you guys really quick. So, the Delish, this is who somebody sent me the article. They did a whole article. Starbucks Secret Cinderella Latte is like a pumpkin spice white chocolate mocha hybrid. Bippity bippity boo. Bippity boppity boo. This right into my hand. Oh, wait. Bippity boppity boo. This right into my hands. Oh, I get it. Okay. I have a confession. This is written by, we're going to blame this on Kristen Salaki, because she's the one that wrote this article, which was written on September 4th of 2019. Hi, Kristen. I want somebody to directly message Kristen and be like, Peter did a review based on your article. Okay. I have a confession. I am not a fan of secret menus. In my humble opinion, the fast food gods have blessed us with perfect food items, and we should be happy for what we get. So Kristen, I'm going to totally disagree with you on this one. I think that secret menu items are extremely cool, and it's kind of like this secret society for those fatties of us that love fast food restaurants. So you can just move on and kick rocks. But I'm sure that you're really nice, okay? But I love secret menu items. I think they're really cool. Okay. So she said, in her humble opinion, the fast food gods have blessed us with perfect food items, and we should, I'm just joking if she's watching this, which I'm sure, why would she? The fast food gods have blessed us with perfect food items, and we should perfect food items. Yeah. Did you see my experience at McDonald's, okay? Could you wait up there and then close the window on me? And we should be happy for what we get. I guess I should be happy that instead of getting a pumpkin spice iced latte yesterday, I got a caramel iced latte at McDonald's. Okay, for what we get. Plus, I always feel like a supreme idiot ordering off menu. I do too, though. I do. But one Starbucks secret menu item has intrigued me so much, I might have to swallow my pride and give it a try. It's called the Cinderella Latte. Probably, especially since you're writing an article on it, you should have probably tried it, don't you think? I'm just saying, okay? That's like this person yesterday that read the title of my video and wanted to give me a dissertation. Oh, this is on my Peter Monn channel. And wanted to give me a dissertation on the title of my video. The title of my video was really not what he was giving me a dissertation. But thank you for your opinion. I appreciate opinions. And you know, opinions are like, you know what, we all have one. The magical item was reported on and taste tested by The Kitchen, spelled with no E. I don't know why. It's like those minimalists, they're minimalists, but was actually discovered by the Instagrammer Happiest Teas on Earth. The Cinderella Latte is one of the most popular variations on the pumpkin spice latte. To make it, you order a pumpkin spice latte and you swap out half the pumps of pumpkin with pumps of white mocha. That's all. That's it. That's all. In case you're wondering where the magical name came from, Happiest Teas on Earth said the pumps of white mocha mixed with the pumpkin reminded her of a white pumpkin, aka Cinderella's magical coach that takes her to the ball. People are downright obsessed with this drink, which is why my Starbucks has never even heard of it. They must be Cinderella haters that have been here. With hundreds trying it for themselves and using the hashtag. I will be using that hashtag. It's gotten rave reviews from many, and testers are saying it provides a nice balance of flavor between the pumpkin and the white chocolate, and it's a great alternative to the pumpkin spice latte. In fact, it's gotten so popular, Happiest Teas on Earth released shirts dedicated to it. So I guess all that's left to do is don your best glass slippers and ask your fairy godmother, aka your barista, for one of these yourself, and I did that. Don't you think it's kind of weird that she didn't even just try? I mean, that would have been like 2 seconds. She had to write this article for the magazine, which is called The Delish. And she didn't even go to her Starbucks like I did, because I'm the best reviewer in the entire world, and order. The thumbnail is the best part. Okay, so this is the Cinderella Latte. Are you ready? Now, somebody sent me yesterday, there's this guy. Oh, I want to shout this guy out. If you guys have never heard of this guy before, hold on a second really quick. I know I'm making you wait, but he has all pictures of Boo and Tucker. It's Boo and Tucker's birthday today. Okay, so This guy has an Instagram account. I started following him, and all of his are drinks. He's Alex Mo, the macro barista. And all of these people are asking me to get this drink, which is called the pumpkin spice chai, so I will be getting that. But anyway, here we go. You ready for the Cinderella secret drink? Cinderella does the washing and the sewing. Ah! You remember that from back in the day? Oh my God. That's sweet. You guys, this is really weird. You know what? I like this better than the pumpkin spice latte. But it doesn't taste mocha-y at all. It's weird. It almost like balances it out. It's like it almost takes the pumpkin spice and like brings it to another level. How does this got so much ice in it and it tastes warm? It's really sweet, you guys, though. It's like really, really sweet. Probably because he put full pumps in it, you think? Like, I couldn't even drink this whole thing. I mean, I don't. I know you guys think that I do, and I don't want to hear about waste not, want not, whatever, okay? Bunch of hippies, listen, it's a review channel. I literally tried just a little bit of it, and then I give it to one of my friends, or I throw it in the trash, because I can't be eating all that, okay? So anyway, it's good. I mean, if you want a variation of the pumpkin spice latte, I have to say, I think this is pretty good. They gave me a grande iced pumpkin latte, 2 pumps white mocha, 2 pumps pumpkin spice, or pumpkin sauce. Sauces. It's good, though. I think it's real good. Peter, pumpkin eater. Oh, no, family friendly. But I hated it when I was a kid. Everybody used to sing that song to me. I'm going to give it like a 4. I don't know what I gave the pumpkin spice latte, so don't come back and be like, well, Peter, you gave the pumpkin spice latte. That's what you... I don't want to hear about it. I'm going to give this, I mean, there's really nothing Cinderella-y about it. Cinderella-y. I mean, if you really close your eyes and imagine that you're in the pumpkin coach, why would you want to drink your own car? I'm going to give it a 4.2, okay? It's just okay. No, people are like, you say it's great, and then you say it's just okay. Listen, are you not eating dinner sometimes, and you're eating a piece of pizza, and at first you're like, this pizza sucks, and by the end of it, you're like, this pizza is really the bomb, right? That can happen in a review, too, within the matter of minutes. Your opinion can change. It's okay. It's not, the drink, it's overall is not super exciting, but I like the whole idea of the Cinderella thing. I think it's really cool. I think coming up with your own secret menu drink is cool on its own anyway. So I'm going to give it a 4.2. I think you guys should all go check it out and drive your baristas crazy. It is called the Cinderella Pumpkin Spice Latte, or just a Cinderella drink, you can call it. And I will put the recipe below, but go send the finest teas on earth, or whatever her name is, some love. I will link her below. I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.